So then let's look at a pure on-premise use case where there is no cloud at all, which of course is a use case that fits very well with edge computing. So in this case, it's about getting machine data and then use it locally. Could be that you want to send data into your ERP system or just store it in a local database because you're not allowed to send data to the cloud. You have to keep it locally. So you want to extract data from a machine and send it to a local database. In these cases, it could also be that you want to analyze your machine data and act on that data locally. For example, creating a work order in the ERP system. And in those cases, you might have to expand your machine data or extend your machine data by adding some metadata that you get from the side, like in this example here, where we have an XML template that you start with, and then you fill in some values from the machine data, and then you deliver that into the ERP system to trigger a work order, for example. So with these kind of local use cases, you can use edge computing to get access to your machine data wherever that is needed on premise in different systems that you have on site, and there is no cloud involved at all. All the processing happens locally close to the sources of the data.